It's one of the fastest growing areas and a really popular section. We're here to find out about a career in business administration and IT. What's so special about it?
Well, the industry, and British Gas in particular, has transformed. Literally in the last 3 years or so, we've become really, really customer focused. Customers are our passion now. And we talk about our external customers who we look after and also our internal customers in terms of our employees. We want to genuinely make sure it's a great place to work so that people who come in actually enjoy working for us and enjoy giving the best to our customers as well.
Because IT is in every business from what I can see, and obviously it's so fast changing that we need to make sure that we have the people with the skills to keep up with the changes that are required.
We're here at Skills Cymru 2010 to investigate careers in IT and business administrations. So, what jobs are there?
There are a number of varied roles within British Gas. You can actually get them on the British Gas jobs website. We have ranging from 70 to 100 jobs almost every other week. They're ranging from customer service roles, service engineer roles, roles in IT and admin, geology roles. There's a whole range of different roles which are available just by checking on the website.
They all start off as agents, which we did ourselves, and then you can go into anything from IT or recruitment, training, managers, operations, right to the top. So there's good opportunities there for anyone.
Next on our quest to top up our database of knowledge, what qualifications do you need?
We don't require any specific qualifications. We look at more the sort of person that you are, what sort of like core fundamentals of a person you are. Things like how friendly you are, polite, your tone, your phone manner, and we offer full training within the company.
To start working for British Gas, you don't need a specific qualification. We're looking more for the value and the attitude and the behaviour of the people. We don't look at competency anymore. We look more at the people's behaviours and values and look at career paths. So people who want to stay with us for the long term.
Lle mae'r swyddi technoleg wybodaeth a Gweinyddu Busnes a pha gwmnïau sydd ar flaen y gad yng Nghymru?
Insurance especially is a requirement by law, so at the moment the business is thriving whereas other companies may be falling short at the moment. In these sort of days of economic gloom and doom, we are doing really, really well as a company because of the industry. Like I said, it's a requirement by law, and it is a fantastic industry to work in. You get to speak to all sorts of people.
So what do you have to do to get a start in IT or business administration?
Depending on what company you'd like to join, I suggest they have a look at their website, see what the company offers, see what sort of thing they'd like to get into, whether it be if they're quite sort of money motivated, then they'd like to get into sales, or if they feel they'd be more suited in a sort of customer service environment, then possibly like a customer service department or a claims department. Just give the company a phone call and see what they've got to offer, really.
Pa gyngor byddech chi'n rhoi I rywun sydd eisiau gweithio mewn technoleg wybodaeth neu gweinyddiaeth busnes?
Everyone has got a different skill level. People come into us and they say, I haven't got anything to offer an employer, but when you actually sit down and talk to them, everyone has got a certain skill based, whether it's, you know, they're good speaking to people over the phone. So we use that then and we can add to it. So, you know, that's what happened to me.
We're here at Skills Cymru to find out about starting a career in IT or business administration. So who better to hear from than someone that's done it themselves?
Well, I started off in our claims department. I kind of had enough of working in retail, things like that, working really late hours, so I saw a job opportunity at Admiral. I went for it. I started off in a call centre dealing with motor claims. And that's basically my kind of first steps in Admiral, basically, and I worked my way up from there. Just try and get as much experience as possible, always try and be friendly, know things about the job that you're applying for as well, and just keep at it. Even if you're not successful the first time, just keep going, and that's the important thing. Don't kind of let yourself back down, keep going for it.
So, if you want to find out more, where should you go?
www.sgiliaucymru.co.uk